Hey hustlers, I'm Wesley, and today I'll be teaching you the cheapest way and the safest way to ship your Pokemon bulk to someone like me or another small business who accepts Pokemon bulk. Now, the reason why I want to make this video today is because I want you guys to be able to maximize the amount of money that you can make when you do use services such as myself. And hopefully, once you guys watch this video, it'll give you enough tips to, be confident in doing so. So first, let's go over the cheapest way to ship your Pokemon bulk, and then we'll go over the safest way to do it. So typically when people send in bulk, they're usually sending it in large quantities, just to save on shipping costs. When it comes to this, you have two options. The first one is to smash that like button because it's free of charge, of course. And the second option is to use USPS flat rate boxes. So the one I'm holding in my hand is a large flat rate box. They're the best option because these boxes ship anything anywhere in the United States as long as it can fit in the box regardless of weight, and they charge you a flat fee. So as of 2021, this medium flat rate box will cost you $15.50, and it fits anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 Pokemon cards. And a large flat rate medium box costs $21.90, and it fits anywhere between 6,000 to 8,000 Pokemon cards. Those are rough estimates just for you and for your references. Don't like quote me on any of that stuff like that. And if you want to save an extra $1 or two, make sure to go print out or purchase a shipping label from PayPal. I have a video right here if you want a step-by-step tutorial on it. Alright, so let me do the math for you and show you how much money you're actually saving when you use a flat rate box compared to your regular normal brown box. So if you plan to ship 4,000 cards from New York all the way to California, it's going to cost you around $30 if you use a regular brown box. But if you use a flat rate medium box which fits 4,000 cards, that's going to cost you $15.15. So you're pretty much saving $15 right there. You ask me, that's a pretty good deal. Now that you guys know the cheapest way to ship your Pokemon cards, let me show you the safest way to do it. Alright, so I'm going to give a shout out to my man's William Streams because he did everything perfectly, and I'm going to use his box as an example. He was also kind enough to toss me a couple packs, and I got an amazing rare from his cards. So make sure to go follow him on his TikTok. I'll put it right there. Right there. Alright, I'm going to hype this man's up real quick. This is what he did. This is what you guys should do. You guys should put your Pokemon in stacks, right? And then you should brick them up. Usually, typically, 2 layers of saran wrap or 2 layers of paper will do. They'll protect it. If you use one, that's not enough. They will actually explode within the box, right? Then you want to, you see how, neat and tight he packed everything in here? See how tight? There's, rarely any space for it to move around. It's because most of the time, when the cards bang against each other like this during delivery, that's when you get damaged cards. And like I said, if we do get damaged cards, we won't be able to pay you out for it. As you can see, there's a lot of empty space in the box. So what he did was he put bubble mailer or bubble wrap. What's it called? Bubble wrap. My bad. He put bubble wrap in it to cover up the empty space. So if they ever do bang around, they're usually hitting the bubble wrap, which is very soft and cushiony. If you don't want to use bubble wrap, you can always use newspapers and stuff like that. Okay? If you're worried if you didn't package it properly, the best thing you can do is pick up the package when you're done. Give it a quick shake. If you don't hear anything rubbing against each other or moving around inside the box, then you did a good job. Thumbs up for you. But if you do shake it and you hear something moving around or banging against the cardboard, then that means you have too much empty space and you need to fill it up with either, like I said, bubble wrap or paper. That's all I have for today's video. It's actually quite easy and simple. If you learned anything from this video, let me know in the comment section down below what you learned. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And in my next video, I'll be showing you guys where I purchase cheap shipping labels. As always, good luck selling and happy hustling, guys. I'll see you later.